Good morning, my dear children. Hope you are all keeping fine. Here, last class, we had already studied about the input units and output units, isn't it? There are some output units such as monitor, plotter, printer and LCD projector. Last class we had studied. Now, we can move to our new topic, CPU. What is a CPU? CPU is the brain of the computer, isn't it? And it stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is divided into three components. What are they? They are arithmetic logic unit, then control unit and memory unit. Arithmetic logic unit controls the arithmetic and logic operations or perform arithmetic and logic operations, and control unit extracts the instructions from the memory. Memory unit. A computer has a large storage capacity and it is called memory, and it is the main part of a computer. Okay, there are two types of memory. What are they? Primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called internal memory, and the examples are RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Then secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called external memory. We store the data and instructions for future use in this memory. Okay, for example, pen drive, then CD, DVD, hard disk, etc. Okay, next our topic is characteristics of a computer or features of a computer. Okay, which are the characteristics? Speed, accuracy, then versatility, then reliability and memory. Okay children, thank you. Is it clear? Okay. Children, here we can study about the characteristics of a computer. A computer has many features which make it so special. They are speed, accuracy, versatility, reliability and memory. Speed. A computer can work very fast, isn't it? And it has a very high speed. Then accuracy. A computer is an accurate machine. It can do calculations without making any mistake. Then versatility. A computer can perform various types of jobs at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. Then reliability. The speed and accuracy levels of a computer remain the same even after it works for many hours. It is one of the most reliable machines today. Memory. A computer can store huge amount of data and information in its storage space, and that is known as memory. It has a hard disk that stores data and information. These are the characteristics of a computer. Children, we had already studied about the three components of a CPU, isn't it? They are arithmetic logic unit, control unit and memory unit. Memory is the storage capacity of a computer. A computer has a large storage capacity, and the memory enables a computer to store data and instructions. There are two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called internal memory, and it is the main area in a computer where the data are stored. And this memory can be quickly accessed by the CPU for reading and storing. There are two types of primary memory. What are they? They are RAM and ROM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory and ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. Next is the secondary memory. It is the external memory where the data and programs are stored for a long term. The secondary memory is non-volatile. It does not directly depend on power supply, but it has a much larger storage capacity compared to primary memory. For example, pen drive, hard disk, CD, DVD, etc.